Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do another recycling. We're going to do over a canvas that I did a few months ago. It's not that I don't like it, it's I don't love it. And I don't know if I did say this before, but I cannot sell work that I do if I don't love them. If I only like them, I don't sell them. I don't think it would be appropriate for me to do so, and I wouldn't feel good about it. It's like trying to sell a car that you really don't like, you hate, and you're trying to put it on a good thing, you know. So I don't want to do it, and I don't like to do it, so I don't. So the painting, it's not that bad, you know, but I don't know why, but every time I look at it, it doesn't do nothing for me. It's nice. It's not because it's not nice, but like I said, it doesn't do it for me. So I'm gonna go over it. We won't see the difference because the paint I'm gonna use, it's kind of dark. It's a mix between dark color and brighter one. I think it's gonna look nice. I'm gonna use two different techniques on just one canvas this time. We did a lot of those things before, trying different technique on different canvas, but now I'm gonna do two different techniques, like I said, on the same canvas, which is gonna be a flip cup and a dirty pour. I'm gonna do exactly the same mix with my acrylic on the same two cup, and we're gonna do it, and we're gonna recycle. So guys, let's go at it and try it. Well, guys, I think the result is interesting. I don't know if it was what I wanted, meaning that it does not make a whole lot of difference between what it was. Yes, it's not the same, but I mean, for me to like it better, I'm not sure I like it better. I like it. I don't know what's happening with me since a few weeks, but I have the tendency to put a lot more of different color when I do my pouring of my or my flip cup for that matter. I'm not sure why, because the problem when you do that, when you mix too much color to do a flip cup or a fluid pouring like we did, is that you have so much details. You lose you lose yourself in it. I mean, you have so much detail that it doesn't, it doesn't smack you when you see that on a wall. It mixes well with all kind of different kind of places though, but it's a bit too much details, I think. Well, again, it's a bit of subjective because that's my taste. I think it's a bit too much, but I wanted to try it. I'm gonna try it again, that's for sure, but with a lot more less color. I think I'm only gonna take 3 colors at the most. I think that would be a nice effect, because then you would see more the effect that would happen using 2 different techniques on the same canvas, since you have less color, so you can see more details for each color, because now you have a multitude of colors. You have, my God, you have, I did use 6 colors, but because of the mix between them, you have at least 12 different shades of colors. So I think, like I said, I think it's too much. I think it's a nice piece though, don't get me wrong. I don't think I'm gonna go over it, that's for sure. I'm sure this one's gonna have a taker. Someone's gonna like it, that's almost certain. But we'll see. So I think it was nice, guys. So again, subjective. Hope you like it. Hope you're gonna try it. But if you do, keep in mind that maybe too much. Well, we used to say too much is not enough, but I think now too much can be too much. So again, depend on your taste. Maybe you like it with a lot of colors, so you go ahead and do it that way. So guys, anyway, thanks for coming back, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care. Ciao.